she's gone.
This is the cheapest Ford Figo that I've ever bought, and I'm restoring it for two major reasons. Reason number one, I want to start making more car content like this, where I can get to a point where I can rebuild and restore top-notch, if not supercars. And the second reason I'm restoring the car is because my son is currently on chemotherapy, and unfortunately I do need a source of transportation because he always goes to the doctors for different reasons at different times. So I really need a car on hand. Because this car mechanically is not right,
somewhere there is a leak
I do not know how to fix it properly. So the guys from AT&T Tech are going to be helping me to fix this car mechanically and make sure that I get back on the road. This is a very cool challenge for me because I normally record and race motorcycles and post it up online. So this will be a very cool challenge for me.
I'm on a quest of restoring my Ford Figo, but we still have one issue that I still can't get over. So let me know if you guys know exactly what's happening. That battery light. Right there, that battery light. But I did go to Mohale Batteries and I did buy a brand new battery.
Coming through to buy battery and then show you how good, like the type of service that these guys give, which is amazing, honestly. But then you'll see it. So I'm gonna buy a car battery for my Ford Figo, and then I'm gonna also buy a motorcycle battery for my K7 750 as well.
takes no volts.
Zero, no?
Yeah, so one of your plates inside has basically collapsed.
Inside the battery. So I need a new one. And then you guys give a bit of a discount when bringing it
with the old one. So the normal price with the including the old one on the Innertech, the better one, you're looking at 1.4.
Yeah.
2-year guarantee, and then Super Volt 1.3 2-year guarantee.
2-year guarantee.
The Innertech is just the strongest.
Sure. Is it? And then because I know this one I bought it from you guys the last time. And then I also need so obviously the warranty's gone. Oh yeah, it's been some time actually. And then I also needed a battery for a Gixxer 750 2007. So there we go. Alright, then that's the new. Alright, there we go. Yeah, we've got that stuff. So y'all see. So yeah, that's what's up.
So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to them, and then I think they need to test and check the alternator, and probably there's another fault code on the car, and try to see if we can clear the fault code. And if that happens and it works out great, even better. If not, we'll have to move on to step 2, which is now we're on our way to Mohale Battery to test and see exactly what's happening. Oh hi, by the way, Sugar Lips. This is insane. So this is what happens every time I start the car. Why is you guys fighting for? You see? Still there.
Just made it here. Let's see what's going on.
We must put a bracket on your here as well, eh?
A bracket, yeah.
See that bracket? That's not like that.
Okay.
You're gonna put tension on these cables.
Sure. Okay. This smoke coming from here, no?
Yeah, it can be old oil or something. You see it from here.
Yeah.
Something's dripping. Just put on the lights for me and drive it.
Yeah, the lights. And then I must rev it a bit.
Alternator is definitely charging.
Okay.
As you see there, when the lights, everything is on 13.8. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to disconnect one of your terminals. If I take off this terminal, it's supposed to die. Car still idling.
Okay.
Alternator is still charging 14. So 100%.
So the alternator shop, okay.
Alternator is perfect. That battery light that it can be like that is it can be the wire running onto the back of your ignition. So it's got like a small wire from the alternator there. On these cars we have had it before where that wire is damaged. That's why the battery light keeps staying on.
Oh, okay.
The alternator is charging, everything is neat. But yeah, this wall is quite the car just serviced.
Not actually. No.
This is coming from somewhere. So somewhere there is a leak that it's dripping on.
Then it's burning up and okay.
Yeah. It's definitely oil, you can smell it.
That's a relief. At least the alternator shop. So currently making a bracket for the battery because it keeps moving around. I wasn't able to make it there at the house, so Let's see how that goes. Coming out, yeah.
So that small wire that's running from the alternator to the back of the dash can be a connection error.
So
Or that wire, sometimes it gets fucked on the inside.
Okay.
So then just get it to follow it, yeah.
Oh, then I'll, okay. Maybe just check from there and then rip apart the dash as well.
Yeah, you have to switches. So out of those 3 switches, you see there's 3 wires.
Yeah.
So one of those 3 wires with these are running to the back,
To the back, huh?
to the cluster. So
Alright. Slight update, guys. So we're actually sending off the car now to get fixed up. So as you can see, I got my big brother here, the tow truck. He's gonna help me take this car in, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what's happening with it and what needs to be done. Yeah, major work going to be done, and we're gonna sort it out. As I said, catch the full restoration, not a rebuild, full restoration. We're gonna sort out the motor. The battery ended up going flat for some odd reason, which I still don't understand how or why the battery went flat, because as you guys saw, I had bought a brand spanking new battery. So we have to sort everything out. It's actually going to be a very cool new arrangement and modification I'm going to do here. So yeah, that's what's up. Popping up the tires are completely flat. Gonna pop up that tire as well. We're gonna be good, we're gonna be alright. And it's lift off, baby. It's lift off time. I'm freaking stoked and excited that we're getting it finally done. I luckily was able to get in some money to do everything, so yeah, it's time to make it happen, baby. And she's gone. I'll show you guys the workshop that we're going to be taking it at. And yeah, those are complete G's. They offered to help me with everything that I need to do. Listen, I'm so stoked, guys. And then from here, we're going to be making way more cars, much more luxurious cars, top end to a point where we end up getting supercars. So please, I need y'all to subscribe, follow, and comment, please. We're making it happen, baby. We're making it, Hashem Mama. We're making it happen. We're making it happen big. So I want to get up to a point where we end up getting like real top end cars, even supercars. But I'm really stoked. You guys just don't understand the amount of the level of happiness that I got right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we did in the last video, and then from that, what we're gonna be doing going forward. It's a life, baby. Oh, hi, by the way.